this food was never eaten. Just hours ago, it looked completely different.
Here, try some of the paneer.
Oh, thank you. It looks delicious.
But its story isn't over. For most of us, this is where the story ends.
The sheer scale of the operation is breathtaking, converting what we throw away into valuable resources for the future.
What most people call waste, technology calls a resource. Nature already knows how to recycle. We're simply learning from it. Nothing is wasted. Everything transforms.
Enriched by the earth, these tiny seedlings reach for the golden sun, transforming the landscape into a vibrant ecosystem. From the rich recycled compost, a vibrant ecosystem emerges. In moments, these seedlings
The choice is clear. While landfills pollute our planet, recycled compost revitalizes the earth.
These massive turbines, powered by biogas, are bringing reliable, sustainable energy to homes across the city. What was once considered trash is now, thanks to advanced organic recycling, a vital food source ensuring healthy, happy animals.
The cycle of life transforms the discarded into abundance, bringing warmth and sustenance to us all. A new dawn for our world. A future where humanity and nature thrive together, renewed.
Every meal deserves another chance.